Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode here doesn't really matter. I also wanted to draw attention to the grid lines. I hope that you can see them. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after a setting. So now basically all we have to do is to open the settings in the right upper corner and tap on the settings again. Here let's scroll all the way down to find reset and tap on reset. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the grid lines simply disappeared, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.